guys, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing very well. I'm back with a vlog here today because I'm alone at home and there's not much noise in the house. My little one and her is gone out with her grandparents, so the house is a little quieter, so vlogging is easier. It's been a very eventful day, more of a self-care day. It's about 4 p.m. Did my daughter's class in the morning. Then I had my nails appointment today. I got my gel nails done. This is what he did. I always get nude color done, guys. I'll give you a close-up of my nails. Can you guys see? Yeah. I always do a nude color, so this is the nude color that I did. So I've never been a gel nails person, but since I have so much of shooting to do, I do shoot so many times. Sometimes it's a close-up of my face and hands, and chipped nails look really bad, and I don't have the time to keep touching up my nail paint. But this obviously lasts for 3 to 4 weeks. A local guy who comes home and does my nails, and he's fairly inexpensive also. Actually, he charges like 1,000 rupees for my hands and 500 for feet. That's a really good price, I feel. So yes, I got my nails done. My parlor lady was home and I did all my waxing and stuff. So I just got free because we are going on a holiday tomorrow. We are going to Ranthambore. We are going to this property called Vanya Vilas. This was actually supposed to be my daughter's birthday trip, but we couldn't go on the week. Her birthday was last weekend, by the way, guys. We went to Haridwar for one day. I've done all my grooming. My threading is done. I washed my hair, just Dysoned them, and usually after I Dyson my hair, I put them in a tight bun. So I put them in a tight bun so that the curls and the waves actually stay, and I'm hassle-free to do all the work that I have to do. I actually wanted to show my daughter some animals, and obviously there's a beautiful safari there, and Vanya Vilas, the Ranthambore is known for its safaris. I only have today to pack. Tomorrow morning we have to leave 6 a.m. This is what I need to pack. There are clothes lying all over my room which I need to sort. Since we're going for 3 nights, I need at least 6 outfits for my trip. So I've only kept 4 outfits so far. This is a cord set I got from Mango. I ordered it from Myntra and I really look forward to wearing it. It's like a crinkled cotton kind of a fabric. Then this is a really nice flowy dress I received from this brand called Nav. The holiday would be a perfect time. It's like a loose flowy holiday dress, so this is going to be perfect. This brand of Ritu Kumar, it's called Arki. Again, I think I ordered it from their website. It's a beautiful black and white dress. So these 2 dresses, 1 cord is the only 3 things I've kept right now. Then this is another linen set. I was sent by this brand called Minimal. And since it's going to be a relaxing and nice holiday where we will be living in tents and just chilling in the resort, I thought something like this. This comes with pants. This is a kurta and pants set, and I thought I'll keep this. More outfits I've got which I wanted to wear. I especially went to the H&M store recently because I wanted something more holiday. I got this outfit. It's a beautiful dress. Look at the print, it's so pretty. This is very holiday. One more outfit that I recently got is a jumpsuit from H&M. This could very well be like a haul video, but it's not, guys. I'm packing. So it's a white linen jumpsuit. It's like an off-white linen jumpsuit, which is really pretty. So before I actually binge there and gain weight, I should wear this on my first day and fit into it. 5 outfits are sorted. We'll be keeping some basics, some t-shirts, some travel clothes. Like I got these black basic joggers from H&M. Like for stuff like when you in the morning you're going for breakfast, chilling in the evening in your PJs. So a lot of PJs I carry on my holiday because I wear like a nicer outfit for 2-3 hours and then I need to change into something comfortable. This is something I wore at the Grand Bharat holiday staycation also, and I'm gonna carry this. This is a jogger cum crop top set that I got from the Loom, and I think it's really comfortable, great fabric. So this is something I'm definitely keeping. So I'll basically keep 2-3 jogger sets like these. Again, one more jogger I have which I'm gonna keep is this white jogger. Then I'll just keep any basic t-shirt along with it. I got this really cute beige t-shirt from H&M also, which I'm gonna keep for my black joggers. The H&M bit is, they gave me the Sabyasachi bag, though I haven't got anything from the Sabyasachi collection, but they must be finishing it. They gave me a complimentary mask. Like, I got this really pretty threadwork top check this out. From Zara. This is the white jeans that I'm going to team it up with and wear this. So that becomes one more set. And this really beautiful top I got from Zara. Check out the pearl button detailing. It's so pretty. So it's like a more formal top that I can wear in the night. So I'm gonna fit this properly, guys. Right now, just showing you guys. These are all the outfits that I'm carrying. This top I'm gonna keep with probably a pant or a blue denim, basic blue denim. It's like a very pretty formal top. Now that I'm a little clearer in terms of the outfits to keep, I'm gonna pack my makeup first. So basically, I already have a lot of stuff in this bag which I usually carry for my shoots and everything, but I really need to be selective in terms of the things that I carry. So I'm just gonna take it out in a pouch and keep things one by one of everything I need. This is all the I don't know if you guys can see. So this is all the stuff that I just took out from that bag. Let's repack it. I have a lot of packages, guys, here. Let's ignore the... Oh, I actually have a really nice Evil Ash shirt that I can carry for this trip. I just realized this is from a brand called Swish Boss. I haven't even seen it yet. So, oh, it's so cute. It's like a white Evil Ash shirt that I can really wear with a nice basic black jeans. So this is definitely something I'm gonna carry. Let's get to the makeup pouch first. I always pack my makeup going by the whole process of how I use it. First, the most important, the MAC Stroke Cream. I'm gonna keep the MAC Stroke Cream because for everything that I use on my skin, I need a primer. I'm going to keep an oil, this is the Ordinary American Argan oil. I'm going to keep this one. The oil and primer are so important. So every time I travel, these are two things that are the first things I keep in my bag. Then I'm going to keep some base products, foundations. I have the Fit Me, I have the Cosmetics CC cream, I have the Dior foundation, but you know, on a holiday you really do very minimal makeup. I'm going to keep the Fit Me foundation, which is a very nice everyday foundation and I love using it and super affordable. Let's keep the concealer. I have to order more. This is the Maybelline Fit Me. I have to keep a lip balm, most important. Eyebrows. I always get the basics out of the way. A little bit of a eyeshadow stick for some basic eyeshadow. I'm gonna keep one stick. This is an Hourglass stick foundation that I don't want to go bad, so I want to finish it, so I'm gonna keep this because otherwise it will expire. Coming to tints, I'm gonna keep this Earth Rhythm Lip and Cheek tint, which is pink. It's a very nice natural pink one, and I'm gonna keep this Daughter Earth tint, which is a nice corally shade. Let's keep as many hair ties as possible. I'll lose them like anything. Hair ties, clips, most important. Some more hair ties. I'm going to keep this primer, which is absolutely amazing for smooth foundation look. Real Techniques fluffy brush and the PAC 265 foundation brush for any kind of blending. Mascara, I'm actually starting to love this Lash Paradise mascara, which is by, this is Maybelline, right? No, this is L'Oreal. The L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and of course my favorite Bad Gal Bang mascara. My bag is already getting full. I need to keep lip products and highlighter now. I'm going to keep a lip gloss. This is by Nykaa Honey Boo. I'm going to keep one of my most expensive lipsticks. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I'll keep this Nude Sticks lip and cheek pencil. All by nude lip colors basically are gonna go in. This is a Lakme nude lipstick that I really like. I have all my blushes here. Let's see if we want to keep. I'm gonna keep this Calabar lipstick. It's pink and it's really nice. Glossier tint. 3 tints I've already kept. This is my problem, guys. I overpack. What I actually need is a highlighter. I'm gonna keep this Cover FX. This is a mini I got free with something. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done. I have the Stila eyeliner, eye brush. I'm gonna make another bag with my cream and stuff. That will be another one, but this is pretty much my makeup. This is the Lakme Iconic. Yeah, this is a brown one. I love it, guys. I'm gonna reorder this because I don't wear black kajals too much. So this is my makeup bag that at least I'm gonna keep it in my suitcase. Now that I'm done with makeup, I'm gonna keep a few jewelry pieces, guys. So let me show you. So These are all the boxes where I store my jewelry, and right now it's all mixed up, which I really need to reorganize. But let's take out a few pieces which I feel will go with my outfit. These are like boxes that I ordered from Amazon. I don't really keep jewelry as per every outfit, because I honestly, when I wear that outfit, I change my mind and I feel like, oh no, this earring is not going. I think I'm gonna keep everything in this box, which already has a couple of new pieces that I ordered. Like I think I showed you guys in my favorites also this pearl earring set that I love. Then another pearl drop earring set that I got from H&M. A lot of pearls actually. But these go with everything. I'm gonna keep my evil eye bracelet. I love this. I got this. There's an Instagram page called Amulet. I'll link it down below, guys. That's where I got it from, and quality has been great. It was for 2000 rupees. I picked it up from an exhibition, but I love it. Keep these hoops that come in really handy when I travel. There are a new set of earrings that I got from Nykaa Fashion. I find them really cute. I can wear it in the evening or something with a white shirt. Even these I got from Amazon or Nykaa. I want to keep them. So yeah, this is like a box of earrings that I made. I'm gonna keep this necklace also. It's really nice and pretty. These H&M hoops I can keep. I think I'll keep this. This is a very pretty piece in case I want to wear something with junk jewelry. He always hates me overpacking, and I overpack quite a bit. But I think I'm not going to take anything more, guys. Stop me. Because this stuff is how I'm going to take this small box, and I'm going to carry my jewelry. So I'm going to keep all this back. Yes, guys, this goes in my bag too. And I'm just gonna be now putting in my night suits. Okay, I've received the last outfit for my trip from this brand called Ancestry. It is a collaboration, to be honest, but there was an outfit that I really liked yesterday at the Ancestry store, and I really wanted to wear it to my holiday. It is like a skirt and top set, and it's so pretty. It's from the new monsoon collection, and I really like it. This is the skirt and this is a matching top. So it's a quad set sort of a thing, but it's actually like a crop top and a skirt. Really pretty. Love the fabric, love the print. So yes, obviously stay tuned. I will share all of this when I will make a vlog of this trip. So this is the last outfit for my trip. Pretty much done with my packing here. So my clothes and outfits are done. My makeup is done. My jewelry is done. I think I'm getting much more organized than earlier. Footwear is left. Basics, night suits is left, and shades, sunglasses. I really need to keep my sunglasses. I think I'm going to carry these D&G. I got these from Italy. These are like basic round sunglasses. I'm going to carry my P-Safe. Very important toilet seat sanitizer. Yeah, these are the, this is the lip color. That is my holy grail. Chewing gum. Most important things that I have to pack are these. So I'm going to keep this in my handbag. This is a perfect travel bag as well. It's like a mini tote. I've packed up my outfits. I have a couple of white t-shirts that I want to keep. This is a Peter Pan collar white t-shirt that I'll keep with jeans. One or two extra outfits to banti hai as a blogger. Yeah. So I'm going to keep these light blue jeans and this t-shirt, phone chargers, laptop chargers, camera chargers, tripod. I have to empty my memory card. So as a blogger, of course, you have extra work to do. Okay, footwear, guys. This is my shoe closet. My husband's shoes are always in my shoes. I don't know why. So these are the slides I'm going to carry for poolside. Then I'm going to carry one tan chappal to wear all through. One heel I'm going to carry to wear on for my any kind of shoot. One flat chappal, one this, one heel. I think I'm sorted. For safari I will need shoes. I could take these Zara slides. They're also very nice. More flats, less heels, because we will be in the resort more and chill in the resorts. I'm tired. I've had a very long day today. What else do I need, guys? What else do you guys pack? Basic t-shirts I'll keep. Night suit I have to keep. Swimming costume, calf pants, swim cover up, all of that I'll just keep. That's pretty much it. That is a small vlog I wanted to show you guys, because as I was packing, you guys really love. One day I had posted a photo on my Instagram that I'm sorting out my dressing area, and you guys are like, oh, please make a vlog on this, and I was like, oh, would you guys want to see that? But I guess you guys do. So you guys, since you guys like being part of my life like this, I would love to share it with you guys. Yes, that's pretty much it. I have to keep the makeup remover. In terms of my makeup, I kept everything else, but I forgot to keep my makeup remover. I just saw it and I'm like, okay, I forgot that. In terms of the things that I'll keep for my daughter, besides her clothes, her towel, her wet wipes, and her small bag and her main bag, I will keep a few toys, a few books, a few coloring books, a mat for her, and a ball for her to play there. Food items, I've just called for a few chips for any kind of midnight snacking. I have makhanas at home, biscuits, and for, especially for the 7-hour drive for the kids to eat. So that bag I have to make like a small carry bag with some food items. I'm excited for my trip tomorrow. I'm grateful and thankful to God to be able to visit places that I love to visit. I love traveling. So guys, I've come to my daughter's room now, and firstly I want to show you all the mommies, the suitcase that my daughter is going to take. Check this out. It's a Peppa Pig suitcase. Her Bua gifted to her. She wanted a suitcase and she ordered something from Amazon, and this time on her birthday she's gifted her this. We thought it would be like a toy suitcase, it will not be like a proper suitcase, but it's actually turned out to be a big side suitcase and she's gonna love it. So now I'm gonna pack for her. Not much to show here. I'm just gonna put in some few dresses I've bought from H&M and Zara for her, but more leggings and t-shirt, because again, safari and the kids, forest and insects and stuff, have to be careful. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the Ranthambore vlog now, guys. I can't wait to show you. I hope you like this quick vlog of me packing. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.